If you are wondering if you can find a power adapter included inside the box of OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer is both yes and no, and it actually depends where you live. It all comes down in which region you live. For example, if you live in Europe, then most likely you will not be able to find a power adapter inside the box. But let's say if you live in like Southeast Asian country, then most likely the power adapter is included. Now, the best way to check if you can find a power adapter inside the box is to take a look at the back of the box, where you can usually find this graphic information if the power adapter is not included. If you cannot check the back of the box before you purchase your phone, then of course I can recommend you asking the person that is selling the phone to you if the power adapter is included. Generally speaking, if you live in a country or region where power adapters are usually no longer included inside the boxes of phones, then this is going to be the same case over here, and you will not have the charger included. But if you live in a country or region where you can still, generally speaking, find a charger, then in this case you can also find the charger inside the box. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.